This?
I need a tissue.
Okay.
We can keep going.
Yeah, just go grab one. Keep them in the toilet.
Just keep them rolling.
I'll power us up.
Power us up.
Well,
Power us up.
freeze balls. Gosh, don't blow your nose so loud, please.
Come on, boogers, man.
Why did I actually look? That's. Are these things going to be coming down the whole game?
Are you what?
Whoa! Watch out!
You talking to me?
I just saved your life.
Am I still in?
Yeah, I just saved your life, though.
Were you carrying me?
There you go.
Holy cow.
That's what you get for trusting me. Bye.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Is this a level?
Yeah, it's a little.
Oh, we're in now. Oh my god, are you joking me?
Guess you don't want that then. Well, that's cool.
Oh my god, this is annoying.
Oh, watch out!
I'm not gonna answer it. But
Hold on, no, you
seriously-
answer it. You answer it. I got you.
Alright, I'll get on this block.
Trust the
I'll get
guy.
on this block. What the hell?
You missed it. Big Goomba.
Call him and tell him to stop calling me.
Oh,
Oh my
sorry.
god.
It's alright. You're small now. You're lighter. I can maneuver you easier. There you go. Nice.
Yo. Why you keep calling me? Alright. You keep calling me.
Tell him he just made me fall into lava.
No, we're doing something now. It's alright.
Stop shaking
Alright.
your controller.
Okay. Okay. You what? You what?
Is your dad boning someone right now?
What's going on?
Clearly he is.
Huh?
What a player.
Okay, bring your shoes. Oh, God.
Just bubble up.
Alright.
He's gonna bring his shoes?
God, I can't even hear you. Alright.
Alright.
Alright then, bye. God.
Sounded like he was giddy.
God, he was giddy. It was like...
Whoa, a secret. No.
He was so giddy on the phone.
Good thing I just carried us through that level, huh?
You didn't carry us, you carried me.
You're right.
But look, I'm just gonna turn... I just turned up the heat. Did you see me just turn up the heat there?
Oh, I thought it was you.
Oh, it's called Kid Laser Syndrome.
Doesn't sound as good.
Oh, really?
Yep.
It doesn't sound as good?
Nope. You could call it the laser taser. See?
I'm never calling it the laser taser.
Yeah, because I thought of a good name and you didn't. That's why you're not ever calling it.
You think of a good name?
Why are there no mushrooms on this level?
Where's the level?
Golly.
So many levels in this one.
Oh, it's
This
so
is like the
hard.
hardest. That's the only, there's 2 castles in this one too.
Yeah.
Whew, we're really rolling. Let's just roll through
I
this.
just want to get
Wanna do a
Bowser.
speed run?
Yep, speedrun. Speedrun on the hardest level.
I think the Nuggets are calling for a speed run. Whoa. Keep going,
Don't
keep
worry,
going,
I
keep
got it.
going. I'm coming through.
Whoa,
Make sure you hit my
why
bubble
is
when it
not
comes through.
going?
Just make sure you hit my bubble when it comes through. There we go. Let's roll with it.
Roll
Let's roll.
Tide.
We're popping bottles.
Popping collars.
God, the speed runs are just insane.
Yo, that's not good.
Oh,
At
nuptials.
least we died right by the
Nuptials.
checkpoint.
Every time we do a speed run, we get our nuptials burnt.
We got our prenups done.
Prenuptial agreements. Oh, we did get pretty far there.
Yeah, we died right here. Ready, go. Whoa, it's a plethora of coins. Speedrun.
Speed run, baby.
Whoa! You almost
Mama.
died.
Bad mama jamma, goddamn mother.
Oh, and bubble.
Oh my
Wow.
god, I didn't even mean to do all that.
Yes, you did.
This is insane.
No, don't die.
Whoa.
No, senor, don't die.
Don't die, senor.
Don't die. Don't die.
Stay alive,
Oh,
Papi.
shit.
Papi, stay alive.
Okay,
Papi.
okay.
Papi. Papi, texacanos. Gato. Oh, los gatos. Los gatos es so grandes. Oh, Papi. Good. Good. Good.
Oh,
My
don't
teeth.
die. Your teeth. What about your teeth?
My gums. My gums are bleeding.
My gums.
Oh, come chew popcorn and let blow bubble.
My gums hurt. They're so spicy food.
Spicy.
Speed run. Oh, you're
He
dead.
called for a speed
You're
run.
dead for good.
I'm out. I'm out of the game.
Yep.
Man.
Now you get to watch a real pro.
If you get a 1-up.
Oh, you're right.
I wonder.
For you.
Come on, Papi.
I risk my life for these coins.
Yes! I'm a back. Did you hear him say that?
Yeah.
Come on, Papi. We got to
Oh,
do it.
shit.
Oh, shit, Papi.
Oh, we need to get this.
Papi, get it.
Alright, I'll
Papi.
give this mushroom to you.
Okay, come on, Papi.
I found it in a concession.
Papi, concessions.
If you die again...
Oh, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. Hot lava. Shit. Dang it. Alright, just get, 82 more coins? 82.
Alright,
You got it.
I'll
You
get right on
can do
that.
it, dude. You get me in. Oh my god, you're like playing like you're in.
What? Oh, yeah? I know, I thought the same thing. I figured I was playing like that, too.
You're doing so, and you're playing so well, and oh yes,
Yes!
I get to continue.
You get to continue again! Was this your fourth one?
5.
My mom's used less continues than you.
Your mom didn't beat the game.
She did. In
Get
an
out
hour.
of here. In an hour?
Me and her dad.
They did speed run.
Yep, her and my dad.
God,
I know.
I knew your family was good at speed runs.
That's in my jeans.
It's in your gene pool.
And my shorts. And my jean shorts. Oh, look at...
Oh, look who it is.
Oh, I didn't know we were supposed to beat those, but we did. Almost.
I thought it was like fireworks.
Oh, don't die here.
Crap.
Just... Well, that was kind of dumb.
Stupid. That was a little janky.
Oh, thanks for the mushrooms,
Thanks,
Toadstool.
Toad. We only have 80 of them.
Golly.
Dip.
We should probably use one on you.
Yeah, thanks, dog.
You're welcome.
Feed me, Seymour. Feed me, Seymour. Tough today.
Alright, man.
All right,
Castle number 1.
ready to blow this thing out of the lava.
World 8, Castle 1. Begin.
Oh.
Ah!
Whoa. This is really starting to
starting to
take a
heat
toll
up.
on my body.
Ah!
Oh. Don't do it.
I feel
Oh,
like when I
Jesus.
yell, I just do better.
God, I'm literally just hovering around this lava stick, just letting
Oh,
it
a coin! Duh!
We're passing up that coin.
Good job.
Just let me get that shroom.
Alright. Oh, a secret door.
Ooh, hello, secret door. For all you listeners out there,
Secret door in Sector Z.
Sector Z, you get the secret door.
Alright, I'll get the one up. Just kidding.
Good. Actually, I like the funny hats, anyways.
The dunce cops.
The unscopes.
You don't have to make everything a melody.
Sorry.
Check out
very
my melody.
sick.
Oh, I lost it. So did you.
Check out my melody. Look out, look out.
Melody.
Go, go, go. Go. Oh my god.
Thank you. Oh,
Whoops.
come on, Philip.
Sorry, Tad. Sorry, Ted Danson. Now we're really rumbling.
I feel like I'm steering this somehow.
You think you're steering it?
Yeah. It's called Phantasmal Effect.
Huh? Alright, watch and learn, baby. They call me Kins Mahoney.
Oh, yeah? Why do they call you that?
Because I run through the jungle like your uncle.
Nice POWs.
Whoa!
Just come here.
You really picked me up and took charge.
You're really strong, man.
You're strongman competition.
Oh,
Oh,
I can't pick you up.
gotcha.
Thanks.
Got you, bud.
I feel so safe in your arms. Whoa.
Oh my god, I don't
Oh!
feel very safe. Whoa. Good thing I'm here. You don't like me holding you?
Nope. You're gonna get stuck down there.
Oh, oh, no.
Here, come get me. Or come to me.
Come to me, puppy.
There you go.
Bring it back. Bring it.
You're gonna be the death of me. Don't do that now.
What?
Now's not the time.
What did I do? I thought you were me and I was you.
Oh, great. I'm so glad you thought that. It really worked out great for us. Stop getting in my way.
You know what? They need to turn... Oh, jeez, I thought that was you. I was like, jump!
Oh, wait. Get that.
Okay.
Oh, man. I want it.
Oh, my God.
Too
You're
bad.
lucky. You're lucky that...
God, our heads are just clashing.
How do you get through this part?
I just got up there, but...
Hey, you!
No.
Hey, you help me. Oh my god. I'm like,
Okay,
all
Hop
over the
Skippy.
map. Hop Skippy.
Oh, no, it's the Rainbow Man.
It's Mr.
I'm
Rainbow.
so scared of Rainbow Man. You can't taint your own levels.
We're gonna bust him.
You're not even here.
We're gonna bust him with a flash.
Oh, gosh.
How come I didn't pop when I touched you?
Because I don't want you to.
Thanks, dog.
They're like ice. What? There's whack-a-moles? Alright, we gotta get him this time. Good.
I popped him one.
Pop him again. Yeah, you think you could just come right back?
Back like he never ever left. Oh, you could have had him there, you wimp.
I'll get him. Don't worry.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah. Fly away. Fly away and don't
Fly
return.
away with me.
Gosh, let's string him up. Don't they know that the
Yes.
first castle they always fly away?
Oh, they're like, oh, let him get away again.
Oh man, we should have hogtied him.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Grumble, 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 roar.
Oh man, he's
That's
at the
the boat.
ship now. There's no
God,
more castles.
I just can't imagine how long that boat's gonna take to beat.
I just can't imagine how much fuel that boat takes to fly.
It's a fuel tanker. BP's loving it.
How much coal does it truck daily?
I need a tissue.
Okay.
We can keep going.
Yeah, just go grab one. Keep them in the toilet.
Just keep them rolling.
I'll power us up.
Power us up.
Well,
us up.
freeze balls. Gosh, don't blow your nose so loud, please.
Come on, boogers, man.
Why did I actually look? That's. Are these things going to be coming down the whole game?
Are you what?
Whoa! Watch out!
You talking to me?
I just saved your life.
Am I still in?
Yeah, I just saved your life though.
Well, you carried me.
There you go.
Holy cow.
That's what you get for trust. Big Goomba.
Call him and tell him to stop calling me.
Oh! Sorry.
Oh my god.
It's alright. You're small now. You're lighter. I can maneuver you easier. There you go. Nice.
Yo. Why you keep calling?
To me. Bye.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Is this a level?
Yeah, it's a little.
Oh, we're in now. Oh my god, are you joking me?
Guess you don't want that then. Well, that's cool.
Oh my god, this is annoying.
Oh, watch out!
I'm not gonna answer it. But
Hold on. No, you
seriously-
answer it. You answered. I got you.
Alright, I'll get on this block.
Trust the
Get on
guy.
this block. What the hell?
You missed it.